I welcome you to my video. As you know that we are studying about models. Okay, so we have 3 models left to study: used to, dare, and new. So first we will start from used to. Okay, I have already told you that we used to express past habits or situations. For example, he used to come at my home daily. Because I use daily in my mostly sentence because I just want to tell you that it should be a continuous condition or a habit, okay, of past. That's why I am using daily. So used to be I will use that to show a past. I will say he used to come at my home daily, यानी वो रोजाना आया करता था. कब? मैं कहाँ पर? मेरे घर पर रोजाना. This is kind of repeat action, okay, a continue action in the past, okay. But you can see one more example that he used to study till 10 p.m. He used to study till 10 p.m. वो कब तक पढ़ा करता था? 10 बजे तक. Okay, so it's also a continuous past routine of someone. Okay. One more thing that you should keep in your mind, and that is, as I said, that it is only to show a past habit or a past routine, but we cannot use it in present to show a present routine. For example, देखिए, मैं आपको बताया कि हम इसका प्रयोग कहाँ कर सकते हैं? पास्ट की हैबिट और एक रूटीन को शो करने के लिए, बट वी कैनॉट यूज इट टू शो प्रेजेंट रूटीन. लाइक एग्जांपल देखिए, एज आई जस्ट गिव यू वन एग्जांपल दैट ही used to study sorry this for introduction. He used to study till 10 p.m. In this sentence, you know that it is a past habit or a routine, but in present, he uses to study till 10 p.m. Then he goes to his bed. Okay? Then he goes to his bed. He uses to study till 10 p.m. यानी वो क्या करता है? वो यहाँ पर if we see, अगर इसकी this sentence is not proper, not grammatically correct. He uses to study till 10 p.m. Then he goes to his bed. यानी वो 10 बजे तक पढ़ता है और फिर वो क्या करता है? सोने जाता है अपने बिस्तर में. तो ये बिल्कुल गलत होगा. If we want to make it in proper way, then we need to make it in present tense. He studies. We will say that he studies. To study में ये लगेगा. He studies till 10 p.m. Then he goes to his bed. यानी वो क्या करता है? वो 10 बजे तक स्टडी करता है और फिर वो सोने जाता है अपने बेड पर. In that case, this sentence will be correct. Okay? If you use studies, not used to study. आप इसका प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे, एक साथ यूज टू स्टडी का प्रयोग नहीं कर सकते. प्रेजेंट हैबिट को शो करने के लिए, रूटीन को शो करने के लिए यू विल हैव टू मेक इट ए प्रेजेंट टेंस. ही स्टडीज till 10 p.m. Okay? In this way. Next. And continuous example like in past. You can answer it in a simple way. Let's suppose that there are many things in our daily life that we do, like we read newspaper daily. We can say we read the newspaper in present. We cannot use used to, but we want to express and to show that we used to, यानी हम पढ़ा करते थे, but now we are not reading the newspaper. In that case, we can say that I used to read the newspaper. Okay? Here, used to is showing that you are not reading newspaper now, but you used to read in past. It was your habit to read the newspaper, but nowadays you are not reading that. Okay? So, I hope you have understood it properly. Now, to more models like there and need. First, I want to tell you, there means in Hindi, साहस, courage, effort to do anything, positive, but to साहस, strong efforts, negative. If you are trying to do anything, okay, you are showing some courage to do anything in positive manner, you should use there. But if you are doing anything improper, that will be in negative. So we will study here that how to use both in both sense. Okay, there and okay, positive and in negative way. So need, second one is need. Need means to say necessary और आवश्यकताएं होती हैं. Okay, so now see some examples. Before telling you some examples, I want to tell you one more thing, that we can use there and need, both models, in both ways. Like in a sentence, we can use it as a model, or we can use it as a helping verb, और एज अ मैन वर्ब. हम एक सेंटेंस में इसको हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं और मैन वर्ब की तरह से भी यूज कर सकते हैं. सी एग्जांपल, यू नीड विशेष. आपको किसकी आवश्यकता है? बेस्ट विशेष की. इट मीन्स हियर need is used as a main verb. Okay, see another example. You need not come here. You need not come here. Need not. we are using it here as a helping verb and come is main verb. So we can say that we can use both models in both ways, like as a helping verb and as a main verb too. Okay, one more thing, that when we use it, see one more example. They need to help me. They need to help me. Here, need is also working as a main verb, because it's a rule that in positive sentences we cannot use a need to. We cannot use to after need. We will have to put it before a main verb. I mean to say as a infinitive. हमें इसको क्या करना पड़ता है, हमें इन्फिनेटिव के रूप में रखना पड़ता है. मीन टू से अब ये इस तरीके से नहीं है, ये दिस इज नॉट लाइक दिस, दिस इज लाइक दिस. लाइक टू इज बिफोर वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. इट मीन टू से इट इज टू प्लस बी फर्स्ट, मीन टू से इन्फिनेटिव. सो हियर वी कैन से दैट इन पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस वी शुड राइट और पुट नीड इन दिस वे. हमें इस तरीके से रखना है पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस में. Okay, but in negative sentences, as you can see here, we use it as a HV, helping verb, because it is the combination. Not is with need. Okay, so but we didn't put here to. तो हमें क्या नहीं करना, to इनके बीच में नहीं रखना है. In negative sentences, we will not put to after need not. If we are using it as a helping verb. तो पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में हमको टू जरूर रखना पड़ेगा वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म से पहले, बिकॉज इन पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस देयर मस्ट बी अ इंफिनिटिव, और आफ्टर नीड देयर मस्ट बी टू प्लस बी फर्स्ट. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड सी एज सम स्टूडेंट्स आल्सो आस्क्ड अबाउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन would and used to. So pay attention here. Difference between would and used to. Okay, you need to pay proper attention here. See, would and used to. Only difference is that we use would to describe conditions, situation or actions that were repeated again and again in the past. अगर कोई सिचुएशन और कंडीशन अगेन एंड अगेन रिपीट हो रही है, उस कंडीशन में हम किसका यूज़ करेंगे, हम वुड का यूज़ करेंगे, मीन्स से बार बार. लेकिन अगर एक चीज़ कंटिन्यूस का मतलब एक प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में है, वो बार बार नहीं हो रही है, दैट यूज टू बी, मीन से वो पास्ट में कंटिन्यूस चल रही थी. ऐसा नहीं कि वो एक बार ओवर हो गई, दोबारा से फिर वो चल रही है, उसके बाद एक बार फिर से, मीन्स दैट इज गोइंग ऑन अगेन एंड अगेन, दैट इज टेकिंग प्लेस अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड दिस इट शुड नॉट बी. But we used to describe a condition, situation or action continued for a time period in the past. अभी बताया मैंने आपको, recently just I have told you that a condition, just suppose that an action took place in the past, a time period, in a time period. Okay, we need to put here used to. We will use here used to, but the same thing that you used to do anything once before and continuously on next period of time. Once it has completed, but again you did it, then again and again with a time lapse. Okay, तो हम उस कंडीशन में हम क्या करेंगे, we will use would. समझ में आ गया? Is it clear? Mean to say if you just did once anything in the past for a long time or a condition but continuous, you need to use their used to. But if you are doing anything in breaks or in a lapse, time lapse, we say you should use would. See examples. We used to live in Delhi. We used to live in Delhi. Okay, but we moved here last year. What we moved here last year. As I told you that you used to live in Delhi. आप कहाँ रहते थे? आप रहा करते थे दिल्ली में. But you moved here last year. रहा करते थे in a continuous way. It was a past action or routine that you used to do, like you used to live Delhi. But now you are not living. Okay? So it is just a past habit or past routine. That's why we are using here an action in past. Okay? Sorry, here we are talking about an action in past. That's why we will use here used to. But see another example. When he was in school, he used to play football every Saturday. Every Saturday. Here you can see, here we are talking about playing football every Saturday. Okay, हम यहाँ पर किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? फुटबॉल खेलने की. कब? Every Saturday. This is an action that was repeated many times. ये एक ऐसा एक्शन है that ended once then again repeated. तो हम यहाँ पर क्या कर सकते हैं? We will use here. In case of use, we can use would. Sentence will be, when he was in school, he would play football every Saturday. यहाँ पर here we didn't use would because action was just it took place in past and it ended, but didn't took place again. But here, if you were say he was playing football on every Saturday. Okay, so it first ended once and then started again. And so we can use here both. Understood? I hope students this video will be beneficial to you all. In case of any query or doubt, you can contact me in my personal video, and please pay your attention properly towards your study. Whatever is going on in your classes, it will be really helpful, or you can get more marks with that. Okay, with these words I want to end my video because it is so lengthy now. Have a good day you all and enjoy your study. Thank you.